I picked up a SIMCOM 7600 for my Raspberry Pi. I've talked about variations of this before for the Jetson Nano, and I think the knowledge from the Nano will transfer over to the Pi. There are variations of this board. Some have an SD card slot. My variation does not. You can see where the card would have been positioned on the circuit board. Now for me, it felt natural to use this on a Pi that had a battery. Unfortunately, I had to remove the cooling fan in order to make the board fit. Otherwise, it would have been in contact with the heatsink. After finding some standoffs, I'm not using the one that came with the board, but I have my Pi ready to receive the SIMCOM. I've just read the documentation and I'm writing a simplified set of instructions for getting started. I just need to make some decisions about connection options and complete this write-up. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, I plan to post it fairly soon, so stay tuned.